Imagine a world just beneath the internet, a digital back alley where secrets are currency. This is the dark web, a hidden, untraceable ecosystem where anonymity reigns. Unlike the safe, monitored sites we use daily, the dark web is a labyrinth of unlit tunnels, accessible only with special tools and intent. Here, freedom from surveillance attracts both those seeking privacy and those with darker motives. It's a digital Wild West, where law enforcement struggles to keep up and every click carries risk. Some venture here for knowledge or to escape oppression, others come to exploit the shadows. The dark web is both a tool for liberation and a haven for exploitation. Understanding this duality is key to grasping its true nature. It's not just a collection of scary stories, it's a reflection of the extremes of human intent. The question is, why would anyone choose to enter? To understand the dark web, you need to know the internet's layers. The surface web is what you find on Google, news, social media, shopping, just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath lies the deep web, private content like emails, banking, and academic databases, hidden for privacy, not secrecy. The dark web is a small, intentionally hidden part of the deep web, built for untraceable anonymity. You can't access it with a normal browser. It requires special tools and know-how. Think of the surface web as a public library, the deep web as the archives, and the dark web as a locked, secret room in the basement. This distinction matters. The deep web protects privacy. The dark web enables true anonymity. That anonymity attracts a very different crowd, some seeking safety, others seeking to hide. The dark web is not inherently evil, but its design makes it a magnet for both the oppressed and the opportunistic. It's a world apart, with its own rules and risks. Accessing the dark web isn't as simple as typing an address. The main gateway is the Tor browser, which wraps your traffic in layers of encryption and bounces it through servers worldwide. This process hides your identity and location, making you nearly untraceable. Dark websites use onion addresses accessible only through Tor. Many users add a VPN for extra security, masking their activity even from their internet provider. Paranoia is standard. Redundant security is a must. Tor itself isn't illegal. It's a privacy tool used by journalists, activists, and yes, criminals. What matters is what you do once inside. The same shield that protects the vulnerable can also hide the villainous. Inside the dark web, you'll find both hope and horror. For some, it's a lifeline. Journalists, whistleblowers, and activists use it to evade censorship and protect their sources. But the same anonymity fuels black markets selling drugs, stolen data, and more. Sophisticated marketplaces operate with vendor ratings and escrow, mirroring legitimate e-commerce. Forums host hackers, scammers, and tragically, far worse, law enforcement battles to shut down sites trading in child exploitation and other crimes. The dark web is a paradox, a tool for freedom and a shield for depravity. It's not one thing. It's the extremes of human nature side by side. Every visit is a step into a world where the line between good and evil blurs. The dark web's economy runs on cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and privacy coins like Monero. These digital currencies allow anonymous transactions, fueling global black markets. But danger lurks everywhere. Hackers, scammers, and malware are rampant. One wrong click can mean stolen data or locked files. Simply accessing the dark web isn't illegal in most places, but viewing or participating in illegal content is a serious crime. Law enforcement monitors these spaces, and anonymity is never absolute. The dark web empowers the persecuted and emboldens predators. It's a tool for privacy and a Pandora's box of risk. The real question is the search for freedom or curiosity worth the danger. Some doors, once opened, can never be closed.